I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Silly Michael.
Disconnect the cable and turn the lights out. This soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is bouncing the music. The moment you own it, you better never.
Because I got go to the next, go to the next, go to the next.
No reason to breathe this air.
I know how to play. If she say a night, can kiss her say a day.
I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control.
Man, that nigga stole me.
And you really might know what it's like to say blue.
Got to be, yeah, I had to walk a mile in a
Take me home. Someone who will love me.
I whispered in the air, come use. I started throwing bitch, she started throwing back mid-range, but when I spraying and jack, forget about that, let's go into the story. And everything sounds so.
Every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can't.
Purchase $10,000. Fuck! Bitch hasn't snuck in their mouths! Who's older, the daughter or the son? Daughter. One of your children, more than the other, is literally the difference between running and walking. He's 28. Wait, I thought you said your son was younger. Oh, he's older. You grew up in Poland. When did you move to Canada? Were you learning? Were they speaking Russian back home? You had to take Russian. You gonna say how are you in Russian, Vin? You find vag dealer, send her over. This feels black. Omar. Where are you from, Annette? You speak Russian? Nice. Well, maybe you can clear this up for me. Every day when they would come to work, they would call me by my last like it's Peters. Just call me Russell. Okay, Russell. Peter. Peter.